Hi everyone, it's Cars Guy Do It Yourself. Today, we want to show you how to replace all the oils in the drivetrain system of this 5th gen Dacia Duster. Do you want to see how to change the oil in the front differential PTU, the gearbox, and the rear haldex differential? Well then, stay with us to find out. Let's come to the front. Under the car, there's an under tray that we need to remove. So, we start our work there. We remove a few screws here, a few screws there, then remove these two plastic clips, and a few screws here. Great, the under tray is free, so let's set it aside. Now we can see the underside of the engine and the drivetrain. Now let's locate the drain plug. It's this one, right here. Let's locate the front transfer case. The right front drive shaft comes out of it. It's that rusty looking component on the right hand side. Then we locate the fill plug, which is located above this electrical connector. It's much easier to see it from behind the right wheel. It's this little plastic wing style plug right here. So, as always, we start with the fill plug. This wire and connector are getting in our way. Let's disconnect them and move them aside just like this. Now let's reach in by hand and unscrew the plug. Pliers may come in handy if it's too tight to remove by hand. That came off loose fairly easily. Now for the drain plug. Use a square driven tool and loosen it. Then let's catch the oil in an empty container and wait until it has completely drained from the transfer case. Now we clean the drain plug, replace the copper crush washer with a new one, and reinstall the plug. Next, let's tighten it to the correct torque and clean off any residue with some brake cleaner. To refill the transfer case, we'll use this large syringe. They're cheap, convenient, and honestly, highly recommended. We just need to extend the hose and get to work. Let's fill the syringe with oil, then access the fill hole through the front right wheel arch. Fill it until oil begins overflowing from the fill opening, just like this. Let's reinstall the fill plug and press it down. Then, like before, clean off any excess oil with some brake cleaner. Using some pliers, you can make the plug a little bit more snug, then reconnect the wire and electrical connector back into place. Right next to it is the gearbox. We can find the drain plug here. As always, before draining the oil, we first need to locate and loosen the fill plug. It's located just behind the left drive shaft. You can see it clearly through the left wheel arch, right there. Let's remove it. Next, we unscrew the drain plug, using the same tool we used earlier. Let's catch the oil in an empty container and wait until everything has drained out and the oil stops dripping. Next, we clean the drain plug, replace the copper washer with a new one, reinstall the plug, and tighten it to the correct torque. Now we refill the gearbox through the fill opening. The easiest access is through the left front wheel area. As before, fill it until oil starts overflowing from the fill hole, just like you see here. Finally, tighten the fill plug and clean everything with some brake cleaner. Excellent. Now let's install the lower cover back into place. We reinstall the screws and plastic clips. Then tighten everything up. And we're done. Now it's time to move to the rear of the car. Here we have the rear differential with the haldex system. We have perfect access to both the drain and the fill plugs. We start with the upper fill plug. Using an Allen key and an extension, we can easily reach it through the opening in the rear subframe. Just like that. Nice and easy. Now we unscrew the drain plug. Place an empty drain pan underneath and completely remove the plug. The drain plug contains a magnet that collects wear particles from the clutch packs and gears. This vehicle has only covered 20,000 kilometers, yet look how much debris has been collected here. Let's clean everything thoroughly. Great! Once all the oil has drained into the container and the plug is clean, we can reinstall it, then tighten it to the correct torque. Now let's refill through the fill opening. Just like before, continue filling it with oil until it begins to flow out from the upper opening. Just like that. Install the upper plug and tighten it to the right torque. Now just clean off any remaining oil with some brake cleaner, and that's it. It's ready. Job done. Thanks for watching. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe.